This one is actually so much dirtier than the other ones, but let's see. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and take this off. Damn. Again, we're not going to be using any water. Actually, hold on. Let me just take off most of this. Most of this is just dirt, as you guys can see. Honestly, you know what? Screw it. I'll take most of this stuff off my hand. Yeah, that was disgusting. All right. Oh, and by the way, I forgot to mention this in the first part of the video. Please do wear safeties. I know I don't, but for the safety of you guys, because I do this shit all the time, please wear safety gloves, glasses, hats, whatever you gotta wear. Please be safe. Now, luckily, these aren't, you know, too dangerous. You know, it doesn't say really that, you know, I gotta wear gloves, but I do recommend gloves if you are working with these types of chemicals. Warning: eye, skin, and respiratory irritant. Actually, we'll just void that. You know, don't listen to that. But yeah, you see, with Diablo, it does say warning: eye, skin, and irritant, or respiratory irritant, harmful if swallowed. Read carefully. Other cautions. Yes, so please do wear gloves and safety equipment when handling with acidic stuff like the Diablo. I think also this one also might have some acid. I read this one. I don't see any you know, harmful chemicals. So this one should be fine. But with stuff like this, honestly, with anything, please do wear safety stuff. I know you guys are probably gonna be like, well, Salim, if you're telling us to wear gloves, why don't you wear gloves? So here you go. I'm wearing gloves and protect. I already have glasses. I got a hat. I don't know what the hell that's gonna protect, but yeah. Here, I'll even cover up. There you go. So let's get to it. I think this one's off. Spray and stream. I like spray. Oh my god, bro, this thing is thick. Dude, holy crap. Let's go ahead and, oh my god, it smells like cherries. This is stream, but this does not look like a stream. Oh my god, I think I might actually have to use water with this, but I'm still not going to. That's why I'm gonna spray lightly, like this. And chemical guys, if you're seeing this, please don't, you know, bash my video. But also, chemical guys, if you are seeing this, hit me up, some DMs. I would love to use you guys' stuff more often, but I am too broke. So yeah. Damn. This thing is strong too. Like that cherry smell on this. Whew. I hope that is cherry. I hope it's not like some acid or some shit. It probably is, but. Damn. I'm probably using a lot, but this thing is dirty as shit, so. Holy. Dude, plastic stuff is even coming off this shit. All right. So let's go ahead and start agitating this. I think I was supposed to. Oh my god, look at this. It's soapy. Bro, no matter what I do, the freaking cherry smell is getting more intensified. Alright guys, so we went ahead to use the Diablo. Bro, this shit is bad, bro. Like, I don't know, Diablo's good. Like, I'm not saying anything about Diablo, but these wheels are fucking dirty, bro. Especially this one. Chemical Guys is gonna be like, you used our stuff on the dirtiest wheels? Nah, I swear, Chemical Guys, this wasn't my intention. But yeah, this wheel is just so I think I honestly do have to get something more intensive than this. These wheels are just so fucking dirty. But like I said, we're just trying to see what the wheel products do. Damn. The fucking chrome on this is even gone. Like, there's literally nothing. Oh my god. Honestly, it definitely is cleaner, but there's just a lot of stains on this. Alright, so I think this is the best it's gonna get. So let's go ahead and put this to the side and go ahead and try to finish this video. Let's use the last one.